Hampshire, southern Grafton, what? Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations up to 1 inch for a storm total of 2 to 4 inches. Sleet accumulations around 1/2 of an inch. And ice accumulations between 2/10 and a half inch. Where? Southern Grafton County. When? Until 6 a.m. Monday. Impacts. A period of mixed precipitation.
Yeah, I got it there.
Remaining below freezing. Expect slippery road conditions and avoid travel if possible. Limited power outage threat due to snapped and weighted branches. Travel will be dangerous and is not advised due to icy road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Rest of today, sleet likely.
Well, happy fucking birthday to me, huh?